Hey, how you doing? It's Mike with the BBQ Depot. Today I want to go over some aftermarket parts that the BBQ Depot manufactures now. We're manufacturing our own parts to fit a lot of these high-end grills. So I'm going to go over couple of these parts that we did for the Twin Eagle. So right here we have the 12-inch tray. This part number would be TE-1753. It takes place of the S21753Y. This tray we sell as complete with the briquettes. This will fit the 30-inch, it will fit the 42-inch, and it will also fit the 54. So this is your 12-inch tray. So I want to show you here. So this is an original grill, original tray here. It's pretty easy to install these. Take off the wrapper here. You would set it in. Fits right in there. Exact fit of the manufacturers. Gives you a good price on it, which will help you out if you're fixing grills or just want to save a little money. What next we're gonna do is the 6-inch tray that we manufactured. This one is a TE-1752. Again, this is the same thing. It's an exact fit. You pull out your old tray, slides right in here, over the igniter and everything. Remember to take the plastic off, and this will also fit the 30-inch, the 42, and the 54-inch one that they have. Also for the Twin Eagles, what we have done is we've also manufactured the electrode. This will be a TE-16321. It will replace the S16321 electrode. One good thing about this one, which we did a video on, it's got a solid probe where the other one is very fragile. Where this one here, it doesn't break. So this is just a start off of what some of the Twin Eagle parts that we do have manufactured. We do have some cooking grids too. We are manufacturing for all major manufacturers out there. So if you need any parts, aftermarket parts, or you just want to talk about the parts that we're being made, we're going to do a video on all the parts that we have, that we've manufactured. These are all going to be exact fit parts, no adjustables. If you have any questions in regards to any of these parts or anything else that you might have, you can contact us again. Toll free is 877-983-0451. You can go to the website. It'd be thebbqdepot.com.